So today we're going to look at the numeracy strand using square and square roots. Now if we square a number, it means we multiply the number by itself. So for 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. Square root is the opposite, so you'd get a number such as 25, and you'd have to work out what number times by itself gets 25. In that case, 5 times 5 is 25. So first example, it says 50 with a 2. Now this 2, that means squared. So we say this as 50 squared. 50 squared means that we do 50 times 50. Luckily, there is a quick way that we can do this in our heads. If we say 5 times 5 is 25, and then we have one 0 here and another 0 here, so we can add to both zeros on the end, so 50 squared is 2,500. And the second example is asking us for the square root of 36. This sort of tick with a roof is a square root. So we've got to think, what times by itself gives us 36? Well, we know 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, and we could keep working and keep going up until we get to 36. And the answer is 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So the square root of 36 is 6. The third example is a little bit more tricky because it involves fractions. So inside a bracket we have 2/3 and all of that is squared. To do this, we could rewrite this as 2 squared over 3 squared. And all we've got to do is square the top numbers and square the bottom number. So 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4, because it's 2 times 2. And 3 squared would be 3 times 3, which is 9. So the answer to this one, the third example, is 4 over 9.